Straumann's SIRIOS portfolio, Crown and Bridge workflow. Select New Crown and Bridge case to create a new patient case. Start by adding the patient information. Select the tooth numbers that will be included in the bridge, in this case, teeth 16, 15, and 14. Click on any of the selected teeth to open the prescription settings. Choose the restoration type, material, and shade. These parameters will automatically apply to all selected teeth. Then click Create Bridge. You can now change the restoration type of the missing tooth from crown to pontic. Click Next. Make sure to follow the scan sequence. It can be edited in the settings. Click on the Scan button on the handpiece to start the scanner. Make sure to acquire all necessary data as well as 3 to 4 millimeters of gingiva. Use the same button to stop it. Use the Mode button on the handpiece to move to the next screen. Now scan the upper arch. Tips: use different angles to capture challenging areas. Make sure to properly dry the area before scanning. Mark the preparation area using the mark preps. You can enlarge the mark cylinder by using the handle. Note that the data capturing within the marked area will be processed in higher resolution. Click Next. Bite Scan. Scan 3 to 4 teeth on both sides. The scanner will stop when the software has enough data. Click Review to process your scan and move to the review screen. Tag the tooth with the tooth tagging option. Select the tooth number in the Tooth Tagging tab and click on the top of the preparation on the scan. To draw the margin line, select the tooth number in the Tooth Tagging tab to enable the tool. You can either use Draw Margin Line or Dot to Dot. The drawn margin line information will be shared with your X order. Select Validate Occlusal Distance to validate the distance between opposing teeth. Place the scan file in the axis of insertion and select the Check for Undercuts tool to confirm that there are no undercuts on the preparation area. The undercuts will be displayed in red. Select Next to move to the export screen. Select Straumann axis, add a due date, and check the prescription box, and hit Send. Once exported, the Straumann Axis platform will launch. Select your desired laboratory and hit Send or Send Later.